barbecue party.
Randy, set, go! Okay. Randy. Randy, set, go! Go! Go!
These simple parties and gatherings on this ship is somehow can ease the workload we have every day. Being apart with our family for a very long time is not easy. And this kind of recreations are a way to have fun and remembering that we also have life aside from work. As everyone's saying, seafaring is not a forever job. One day we will stop and feel the important events and gatherings we missed in our family just to provide a good life and earn money for our future. One day we will stop and feel the lapses we have with our families and friends.